Assalamualaikum everyone, this is 𝐒𝐮𝐲𝐬𝐬. I'm a student of HEXA'S Zindabazar. Recently, I completed my spoken English preparation course. My batch number was HZ2457 and I'm thrilled to share my journey of completing this course at HEXA'S Zindabazar. When I first joined HEXA'S, my primary goal was to improve my English fluency and gain confidence in speaking. I know this was crucial not only for my IELTS preparation but also for achieving my goals. The experience at HEXA'S has been truly remarkable. The teaching methods were very interactive and the friendly environment made the learning very enjoyable. I particularly enjoyed participating in group discussion, debate and speaking activities like speaking care, speaking cafe and study speech competition. Speaking care is a place where I practice speaking with my side partner or friends about various topics entirely in English. In this place, you are not allowed to speak a single Bangla word. If you do, you have to pay a fine. This fun punishment motivated us to stay disciplined. And then the speaking cafe is a similar place to speaking here, but there is no fine for speaking Bangla. However, the rule is saying you must have to speak everything in English. I joined those activities regularly, which significantly improved my English speaking ability. Then the study speech competition, where I had to speak about a random part 2 topics in front of large audience for 2 minutes with 1 minute to prepare. I'm proud to say I secured first place in this competition from my batch. This not only boosted my confidence but also helped me to overcome my fear of public speaking. And at the beginning of the course, I struggled with hesitation and the grammatical errors. However, the constant support of our instructors, especially 𝐒𝐻 and 𝐒𝐻 helped me to overcome those challenges. Slowly, I started noticing significant improvement in my English speaking skills. One of the highlights of my journey was being named the best performer of the batch. This recognition not only motivated me to continue improving and striving for excellence in communication. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the entire team at HEXA'S. Their guidance, patience and encouragement made this journey memorable and impactful. Completing this course not only boosted my confidence but also prepared me for my future opportunities. Thank you for watching. I hope my story inspires others to embark on their own journey toward English fluency.